Welcome to Blue Collar Billing, the program built by contractors for contractors to simplify the way you manage your business. Today we're going to talk about how to add jobs into the system. With a few simple clicks of the mouse, you'll be ready to use our template items to create professional proposals in a matter of minutes. Proposal and invoice items can be reorganized to allow you to create the most professional proposals that will help you land jobs. Okay, so let's get started. You have two options. From your main client screen, your first option is to simply hit Add Job. Clicking that button will bring up this screen. From here, all you have to do is fill in the blanks. You can enter a job name, salesman, your job category. It defaults to being a job status of quote when you enter the job into the system. The rest of this information here can either be filled in or left blank depending on the project's needs. Your address information, customer contact information, any notes you may have for the job. Job total, you may enter that amount now if you know how much you're planning on billing for this job, or you can leave that blank and come back to it at a later time after you've used the estimating features in the program to help build out the project so you know what to charge. And if we go back, we'll take a look at the other option that you have, which is to add a job and copy the client. This is a great feature if your client address and the job address is the same, which happens a lot on residential projects. If you click that, it auto fills in some information, including the address and contact information, just to save you some steps. So let's go through and fill this out real quick. Job category, we'll say we're going to do a painting job. Lot and block, we don't need that for this job. Customer's name, Dan. Any notes? And we're going to leave the job total blank for now because we're going to use the estimating features that are built in to figure out what the proper billing amount should be. Simply click Add Job, and now you're brought to the home job screen. Job number is automatically created for you, which is unique to each individual job, which you can use later when you're using the search feature. It's also your invoice ID for billing purposes. And all the information you need is here. Job address, contact information, the status, job is active. Again, it's automatically defaults as quote when you first enter it in, when you enter the job, invoice ID, tax rate, overhead. This overhead percentage number is set by you when you set up the company. In one of our other videos, we talked about how to calculate your overhead percentage and in settings where to set your defaults overhead. That number will be important later on as the project moves forward in determining your job costing and whether you're making money or losing money on each individual project. In our other videos, we will talk about the features in here that you will use to build your job, including entering materials for creating a proper job estimate, printing proposals, invoices, job items that will show up on your proposal. But this is how simple it is to simply get a job into your system and start the process.